Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn bakery business. First, begin by thoroughly researching your target market to pinpoint a unique niche for your bakery. Next, develop a compelling business concept, including your signature menu items and overall brand identity. Simultaneously, focus on gaining extensive practical baking skills and hands-on kitchen experience to ensure product quality and efficiency. This foundational work is crucial for building a successful and sustainable bakery venture. Once your concept is clear, it's time to formalize your plans. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your financial projections, operational strategies, and marketing approach. Next, navigate the legal landscape by securing all required business licenses, food service permits, and tax identification numbers. If you're considering a home-based operation, thoroughly research and comply with local cottage food laws, as regulations vary significantly by area. This ensures your bakery operates legally and smoothly. With your legal framework in place, focus on operations and reaching customers. Consistently source high-quality ingredients and streamline your production processes for efficiency. Develop a memorable brand identity and actively engage your audience on social media platforms with appealing visuals. Implement loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and boost sales. Also, consider participating in local community events or farmers markets to increase visibility and attract new clientele. To ensure long-term success, continuously innovate your product offerings and explore new sales channels, such as catering or wholesale. Regularly track your bakery's financial performance, analyzing sales data and profit margins to identify areas for improvement and growth. Investing in new equipment or technology can also boost efficiency and capacity. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Building a strong team and fostering customer loyalty are also key to sustainable expansion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.